Hello friends, Drew here in beautiful West Grove, Pennsylvania. On this edition of Forever Home, we're going to be taking you on a tour of some of the projects we've been working on this beautiful home here. We put in some luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the first floor and a little bit on the second floor, and then are currently today working on replacing the old brown shutters with these beautiful wineberry, and we're also painting the front door to match. Let's take you closer and show you what's going on. Here we go. The German's working on taking down the last of the old brown shutters that were on the front of the house. Of course, watching out for wasps and bees and things as we go. Getting these brown off of here, and we're going to be replacing them with these beautiful wineberry maroon colored shutters. So that's starting to come together here nicely. He's already finished the two on the stone up top and down bottom here. So one more to get off, get the holes lined up and the new ones drilled, and then we'll finish replacing the front piece of that. And of course, with the new shutters, we want to make sure that we update the front door. So we've got some plastic over that right now just to help keep the air conditioning in and the bugs out. And we spent the better part of the morning here getting this beautiful transformation of a door painted from brown over to, again, this maroon color wineberry, and using our resilience paint from Sherwin-Williams. This is one of our preferred go-tos for anything we're doing on the exterior of the house when it comes to either plastic shutters or fiberglass doors. The resilience line does a great job for us. So we like that, and we'll take you over here and we can edit in maybe the before picture. We'll show you what this looked like previously, and then we'll give you an after picture as well for what this looks like when it's all said and done. I'll take you on the other side of the house. We'll take a peek inside and we'll show you some of the hardwood floors that we've been working on. So as we come in the front door, right into the main entryway here, we didn't change any of the hardwood that was in here, but this used to be all carpeting. That all came out, and we've put in this beautiful dark, almost a walnut color flooring that really goes with the decor of the home office. Of course, with everybody changing how things have been happening in the last year, more people are working from home, and so this gives us a beautiful space to use for all those professional duties that we have going on. And you can just see how gorgeous this looks, and it runs continuous all the way through the entryway here and back into what would be the formal dining room. And just absolutely love how this came out. Just a gorgeous look for this room. And then we'll take you upstairs and we'll show you the hallway as well for how that came out. So up here at the top of the steps, again, didn't do anything with the staircase in this particular application, although we have in some of the homes that we've worked on. But new hallway all the way down and through. It really adds to the elegance here of the second floor. Looks gorgeous. Let's take you down into that room as well and show you what's going on here at the end of the hallway. So whether you're going to use this for a bedroom or an office or whatever the case may be, if you're tired of the carpeting and then trapping the dust and maybe some allergens and other challenges, the dog stuff, whatever it might be, and you want to change out to a luxury vinyl plank, we can absolutely help you with that. Lots of choices that you can choose from, depending what kind of color family you're looking for, what kind of texture, what kind of grain pattern you might like. Lots of options are available, and I think what they chose here in this house came out absolutely gorgeous. Thrilled with how this came out, and just really ties the second floor now in with what we did on the first floor, and looks beautiful. So love this. We'll give you a quick after picture here of the front door. Came out absolutely gorgeous, completely matches the shutters. It's just beautiful new front to the house and completely changes the look from the brown that they used to have. And that's going to do it for us here in West Grove, Pennsylvania. If we can help solve a problem for you, there's nothing our team doesn't do. Roofing, siding, windows, doors, decks, anything on the interior of your home. Renovate your kitchen, master bathroom, finish your basement, plumbing, drywall, electrical, spackle paint, build your custom dream house, in addition, a garage. Give our team a call or take a picture of what's bugging you. Click that contact us button here at the top of our Facebook page. Send us those pictures, tell us what's going on, and we'll be happy to get you a ballpark right there over Facebook, kind of give you an order of magnitude of where things are looking, and then we can decide if it makes sense to keep moving forward and come out and do an on-site visit and work through a full scope of work for you. We have a dedicated office staff standing by to answer your call weekdays 9:30 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon at 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for Coat-Built, your full service construction and renovation company, and extension 2. For new projects, we are Pennsylvania Home Improvement Contractor number 88078, licensed contractor in Delaware 10490. Remember, we're finished with it. You're gonna be proud to say it's not just done, it was Coat-Built. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you click that subscribe button, hit the notifications bell so you get updated on all of our cool videos and projects that are gonna help you know the right questions to ask when you're interviewing a contractor for work around your home. All right, we'll catch you guys on the next edition of Forever Home. Thanks for joining us. Bye for now.